Good morning guys, in front of me is ZTE Blade A72S, and let me show you how to block a number on this device. At first, open your phone dealer. Then tap on More icon and select Settings. Here all you have to do is to click on Block Numbers, and now you can block all unknown colors if you wish, or you can block some particular number by tapping on Add a Number. Provided here, tap on Block. And that's it, that would be all. Once you want to remove the blockade, tap on cross icon. But also you can block some particular number, particular contact. To do it, just open contacts, choose the contact that you wish to block, tap on more icon and select block numbers. And that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.